today Hey guys, today we are going to make slime because supposedly you can make slime with clay or Play-Doh and chapstick. But for the chapstick, I suggest you use like the Carmex brand, like this type of chapstick. I'm using the Carmex brand, and you need a bowl, but you can use a mixing tool if you want, but I'm using my fingers. But if it might get a little like messy and sticky, so you might want a mixing tool. Yeah, okay. So first we're going to take out, I'll show you a view. I have to sit like this. Okay, so first we're going to take out the clay or Play-Doh. Or Play-Doh's a thing, same thing, clay. I'm just go pull this out. Okay, so now hold on. Okay, so now that we all go that, let's get all the pieces and put it into one piece. And then you might want to roll it up. And this is a big chunk. Okay, so you might want to make a hole like this piece, and then make like a hole in the Play-Doh or clay, and then you're gonna add the chapstick. Again, I suggest you use the Carmex brand or like a chapstick that looks like this. That looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna add that. So we're gonna add the chapstick in the hole. We're gonna add about it should look like this, and then you can put it in your bowl and mix it with this mixing tool, or you can just do this. Yeah, but it should like look like this, and it should feel like a little sticky, or it should look a little mushy. You know, like boba tea. I'm going to try to tie this. Hold on. I was trying to tie it, but I can't. Okay. If you want it like a little more, mushy, textury, you can add more chapstick. But it decapitated. So you can add more chapstick. Again, you can use this Carmex. I suggest you use this Carmex brand or any type of chapstick that looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna add that. to put. Okay, so this is like how it looks. If you add a lot of chapstick, like it will still be slime, you know, anything won't go wrong. But just make sure like you have something to put it in. Like I have this. And then you can also add food coloring if you want. Like mine, I'll get something red because I'm almost out of it. So hands might get a little dirty. Let me go look for something. Found a glove. I only have one glove because I'm gonna use one for my laptop, you know, like for the mouse. This mouse right here. And one to like mix the slime with, or the clay, whatever you wanna call it. Okay, so let's The funny thing is, I was making slime earlier and I didn't have any glue. Do you think this is a pretty color? I kind of do. It looks like the sunset. But, you know. Let's add more food coloring. Again, for this one, you can use a mixing tool or a hand. But I'm only using a glove because I don't want to stain my hand because it kind of gets stained a little bit, and because I have to use my laptop too. So this looks like Mufasa. Like, doesn't it look like Mufasa? Mufasa.
Right. Oh!
And I get it from my mammy, but I ain't bust down. These can't stand me.
Okay. But that is how you make slime with clay or Play-Doh and chapstick. Well, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.